guys, I'm Adlee Ray. I'm out here in the desert in Nevada shooting today with Dave. We're going to be shooting some awesome stuff at this dope location and you should stay tuned. You can also see more of me on Instagram at Adlee Ray. It's Adleeray. Also on Facebook as Adlee Ray, and of course on my OnlyFans. And I'm new to Twitter, so check me out there too. Come on in.
Hi, this is Nomad Photog Dave. We're out here at a abandoned cement factory somewhere in Nevada. And Adlee has already introduced herself. So we're going to do some behind the scenes, we're going to do some drone work, we're going to do some photo shoots. Hopefully, as we got a little bit of light left, and see what we come up with. So stay tuned and keep an eye out for this. Hi, this is Nomad Photog Dave. I'm here with Adlee Ray, and we're doing a wrap up from our shoot the other day out at the cement factory. When we finished our shoot, it was well after dark, so temperatures were dropping and there wasn't really a good time or place to do a wrap up. So here we are again. Adlee, that was your first time at that location, is that right?
It was, yes.
What'd you think of the location and the shoot?
I thought the location was epic. From the 3-story tower to the silo and all the graffiti. It was really cool. I really liked the zombie apocalypse room, and I just thought we were able to use the spaces very well and get a lot of really good content. I'm really excited about it.
That's great. Yeah, I enjoyed it too. It was my first use of a drone in a photo shoot. Had you ever had that before?
I have used a drone during a shoot, but I haven't done pictures off of a drone. And I remember on the way back when we were able to look at some of the shots in the drone, I was just blown away by the quality and how good it was able to shoot and the shots you were able to get with the background and me just being so sharp yet. I was very impressed.
Yeah, that was my first time. Definitely want to do it some more, especially if I can find some unique locations.
Yeah.
Where that would be good to use. Well, I want to thank you for a great shoot, and we'll post your information on where to find you. But go ahead and say it again.
Sure. You can find me on Instagram at Adlee Ray. It's ADLEERAY. Also on Facebook, Adlee Ray, and on my OnlyFans at I am Adlee Ray.
Thank you, Adlee, and we'll see everyone down the road at our next location.
Awesome. Thank you. We'll see you guys.